Hello everybody, my name is Sam, aka Samster, and today we're going to do something probably not smart, but we're going to drive this 1973 Saab Sonett 3 up to the top of my street and back. This is a work-in-progress project car, and as you can see, it's, you know, not in the greatest shape. Of course, this color was not ever a real Sonett color. It's more like one of those colors. But on this guy, they repainted it because the front hood section is a 1971 Saab Sonett, which actually used to be green. So the rest of the car was not matching, so I guess they painted it brown for some reason. But anyway, this is a project car I got on Facebook Marketplace a few months back, and pretty much just with what I had, kind of got it running and kind of got it driving. So what we're going to be doing is we're just going to take it up to the top of the street. I'll explain more once we're in the car. All right, let's get going. Alrighty, so finally in the Sonett. A few things to go over. This is my only brake at the moment, is the parking brake, but it works good. I got it adjusted and stuff. So pretty much what we're going to do, this is my first time actually driving it on the street, so we're going to see how that goes. The transmission, I've gotten it in the first and second, so I don't even know if third or fourth are there. The clutch grabs really high because it's not bled correctly. And the tach doesn't work, but other than that, Mrs. Lincoln, we're going to try to get it for a little ride here. So let's get going. Right now I have a fuel pump, electric fuel pump hooked up, kind of jerry-rigged. See if it'll start. It's quite warm out, so. Oops, I got the steering wheel lock on. There we go. Alright, let's get going. Alright, let's see how this goes. All the gears work. There we go, look at that. Well, that thing's not bad. Sorry, I wasn't talking because I was focusing. Steering's not straight, as you can see. Running really rough as well, because I think the want to try reverse here. There we go. So light in the back end, look at, so light in the back end that you can just skid out because there's no weight there. All right. Turn off my fuel pump and making a racket. And there you go. That is the first time I've ever driven a Sonett on the road. That's kind of cool. All right, a lot of things to do to it. Tracking's not right at all on the steering. It seems like that's straight, but sometimes that's straight, so it's like the toe's not right. But that's all adjustable. But, well, there you go, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, and talk to you in the next video, probably on the Sonett.
2 hours later.
All right, just put it up on the lift for the first time, and almost every single Sonett has rust here underneath the wheel well. And behind the wheel well, and this thing is in really good shape. The other one's not even in this good a shape. Look at that, there's no rust there at all. So that's really nice. No giant leaks either underneath the thing. The oil pan's a bit crusty, but I mean, it's not much new stuff, so that's pretty good. All up there, radiator looks really nice. Got some wiring issues here, obviously, but figure that out. Exhaust system looks good. All this, like the swing arms and stuff, they look all good. It's all dirty and stuff. This is where all the Sonetts also rusted. And this one's not bad at all where the battery box is. And this side's perfect. So, yeah, this thing seems to be pretty cool. It looks so funny up on the lift. It's just so small. So, anyway, there we go, guys. Extra little bit of content.